Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to locate your installed EA games on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, click on Library on the left hand side. Here you will see all the games you have installed through the app. Now find the game you want to locate. Right click on the game's picture and a small menu will pop up. From that menu, click Manage, then select Browse Local Files. If you don't see the option, close your EA apps. Go to your app shortcut, right click on the game's picture. After that, click on Properties. Now click on Change Location. After that, click on Browse. A File Explorer window will open showing the exact folder where the game is installed on your PC. Here you can see all the games, files, mods or updates that have been downloaded. If you want to move the game to another folder or drive, you can note this location and then use the Move Game option in the EA app to transfer it safely without losing any files. And that's it. Just open the EA app, go to My Collection and right click your game and browse through local files to see where your game is installed. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.